Here is Saisha. I am going to make a favorite milkshake. So today let's have something healthy. So here I am going to show you dates milkshake. I have taken 8 pitted dates. Here seeds removed, pitted ones. And then in addition to that is some peanut candies, what we call as Chikki, and 300 ml of chilled milk. The best part of this milkshake is you can make it hot or cold. Both taste equally good, right? So what I'm going to do is I'll take this dates and these peanut candies together and crush it first. So I'm making it for 2 glasses. So accordingly you can correct your proportions. So here is the crushed dates and the peanuts. Now we add a little milk to it. Don't add the whole milk, just little, and we blend it again. Yeah, so we have blended this way. Now we add the rest of the milk. There is no need to add any sort of sweetener to it because dates is already sweet and we have added Chikki also, the peanut candy as well. Now we blend it well and take it. Yes, so it's done. Now we take the serving glass and just gonna put some honey and swirl it just so that the kids are attracted to the drink. This is optional. If you wish, you can do. Otherwise, you can just skip it. So here is our shake. We're taking it. So milkshake. Yes, it's ready. There is no other garnish required because this is very beautiful and amazing drink.
It looks so yummy.
Yes, so this is our dates milkshake. Do try it for your munchkins and do let me know how you like it. Till then, bye from us.
Spoonful, easy cooking. Bye.